Think. Long and hard, conjure her up in your mind. What would she say? What's her final statement to a cold, uncaring planet?
Dear world, believe it or not, I knew about fear. I knew the way loneliness stung. I hid behind smiles and crazy hot clothes. I learned to kiss boys with my tongue.
That's good.
But oh, the world, it held me down. It weighed like a concrete prom queen crown. No one thinks a pretty girl has feelings. No one gets her insecurity. I am more than shoulder pads and makeup. No one sees the me inside of me.
Jesus, you're making me sound like Air Supply.
Keep going. This has to be good enough to fool the cops.
Whoa! Is it murder? No, look. Here's a suicide note.
They couldn't see past my rock star mystique. They wouldn't dare look in my eyes. But just underneath was a terrified girl who clings to her pillow and cries. My looks were just like prison bars. They've left me a myriad of scars.
Myriad, nice.
No one thinks a pretty girl has substance. That's the curse of popularity.
I am more than just a source of hand jobs.
No one sees the me inside of me.
Heather Chandler's not your everyday suicide.
You should cancel classes.
No way, Coach. I send the kids home before lunch, and the switchboard will light up like a Christmas tree.
Our children are dying. I suggest we get everyone into the cafeteria and just talk and feel together.
Thank you, Miss Fleming. Call me when the shuttle lands.
I'm telling you, we all misjudged Heather Chandler. This is the loveliest suicide note I've ever read. Box up my clothing for Goodwill and give the poor my Nordic tract. Donate my car to crippled kids or to those ghetto moms on crack. Give them my hats and my CDs, my pumps, my flats, my 3 TVs.
No one thinks a pretty girl has feelings, but I weep for all I fail to be. Maybe I can help the world by leaving. Maybe that's the me inside of me.
Oh, hell! Long weekend for everybody!
And not so fast, kids. They're refueling the buses, which gives us a solid half hour of healing. Now, I have mimeographed copies of the suicide notes so you all can feel Heather's anguish.
I never knew about her pain.
Go on.
Her life had hit a rocky patch.
Feel.
Deep down she wasn't cruel or vain.
Feel.
She didn't mean to be a snatch.
Veronica, you're very quiet. What's on your mind?
Maybe Heather realized that in order to be happy, she had to give up her power. And that the only way to do that was death.
My God. Look what we've done. We're breaking through. Heather would be so proud of you.
No one thinks a pretty girl can touch you. Heather touching me. But she's made us better than we were. Heather's dead, but she will live inside me. And I'll be the me inside of her.
Holy crap! This is awesome!
Heather cried, our sins fell on her shoulders.
Jesus Christ!
Heather died so we could all be free.
I'm bigger than John Lennon!
Heather's gone, but she will live forever.
She's the dove that sings outside my window.
She's the twin from whom I'm separated.
She's the horse I never got for Christmas.
Heather sees the me inside of me.